You are welcome to episode 5 of our series leading to 1000 Igbo words vocabulary. Today, we are concluding our 3-letter words with 50 words. Let us go to the class right away. I am the Igbo tutor, Onye Nkuzi Igbo. You are welcome to the class. Let us begin right about now. Oba, pond. Oba, pond. Ọjị kola nut. Ọjị kola nut. Ọja wooden flute. Ọja wooden flute. Ọkpa bambara nut. Ọkpa bambara nut. Okpu cap. Okpu cap. Ogho cotton. Ogho cotton. Ọkwa tray. Ọkwa tray. Olu neck. Olu neck. Ọlụ work. Ọlụ work. Ọnwa moon. Ọnwa moon. The next page. Ọnya trap. Ọnya trap. Ọnya, same spelling, different sound. Ọnya wound. So we have ọnya. Ọnya. Ọta shield. Ọta shield. Pụọ go out. Pụọ go out. Rie eat. Rie eat. Tie beat. Tie beat. Ụgba oibin seed. Ụgba oibin seed. Ụwa word. Ụwa word. Ụba riches. Ụba riches. Ubi or ugbo for some people. Farmland. Ubi, farmland. Next page. Ube, javelin. Ube, javelin. Ute, mat. Ute, mat. Udu, bass drum. Udu, bass drum. Ụbọ guitar. Ụbọ guitar. Ụgbọ mobile carrier. Ụgbọ mobile carrier. Ụgha lie. Ụgha lie. Uju fullness. Uju fullness. Ụkpa penury. Ụkpa penury. Ụkwa breadfruit. Ụkwa breadfruit. Ụkwụ waist. Ụkwụ waist. We'll move on. Ụkwụ leg. Ụkwụ leg. Ụmụ children. Ụmụ children. Ume courage. Ume courage. Omi bone marrow. Omi bone marrow. Utu penis. Male organ. Utu penis. Ugu mountain. That is the high tone for the vowels. Same spelling, down tone. Ugu, respect. We have ugu, ugu, respect. Ude, cream. Ude, cream. Same spelling, high tone for the vowels. Ude, mourn. Ude, mourn. Ode, a kind. Udi, a kind. We'll move on. Uta bowl. Uta bowl. Ugo, eagle. Ugo, eagle. Ora or ora, sleep. Ora, sleep. High, high tone for the vowels. We have low, high. Ora, slap. Ora, ora, slap, sleep. Vor, hatch. Vor, hatch. Wa, split, like we split a wood. Wa, split. We, build, as we build a house. We, build. Your, sieve. Your, sieve. Za, sweep, as we sweep a house. Za, sweep. And finally for today, Zwo, buy. Zwo, buy. With this, we come to the end of this series and this episode. And we're ending 3-letter words today. We are moving on to the next episode with 4-letter words. So stay tuned. And if you have not subscribed, we advise you do so that you don't miss out on any of these lesson series. Thank you. Chukwugoziegi.